Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Toyota Prius here on a 2014 plate. It's a Jap import. Just doing a position lamp. This one here is working. This one isn't, and the bulb you need is a 501 bulb, which can be found on the link in the description, and also at the end of the video I'll have a link there as well, so if you guys want to check it out, or now to do it, it is quite a simple procedure. Just going to switch the light on. So what we need to do is the top bulb right here, this one. So it's just in there, as you can see that plug right there. So all I need to now do is to remove it. I am on my own, so there's that one right there. So what I need to do is I need to twist that to my left. Once I twist it to my left, I then pull it. Now you got to remember this seal right here. You got to remember the seal is all intact and everything as well. So it is a 501 bulb. I'm just going to go and grab the bulb first. Because I am on my own, so I'm just going to get everything ready. Right here, that's the bulb. I now remove the old one, which is quite easy, and there's only one way the bulb would go, so it kind of slots in there like this. So what I need now to do is get the new one. I then slot the new bulb in. This is a taxi, so I mean, if you guys are driving this as a taxi, and you're gonna need bulbs all the time, so something you should know how to replace. It is quite simple. That's all done. So what I now do is lights on, make sure they're all working. There we go. That's it. That's all working now. Right, that's all it was. This is a Toyota Prius on a 2014 plate, and it was a side bulb position lamp we replaced on the front. 501 bulb required. It's a simple procedure. Just follow it. And if there is anything else you need to know, drop us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. There will be links in the description for the bulb as well, and other videos. At the end of the video, there'll be a couple other playlists for Toyotas and bulbs as well. Do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you, and goodbye.